Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mid City School. Grade 1. This is your English grammar lesson, and today we are going to learn more about capital letters and small letters. So please take out your textbook, which is the grammar tree, and turn on to page number 15. Page number 15. Chapter number 14, Capital Letters and Small Letters. As you can see on the screen, these are capital letters. And in English, we have 26 letters. All these 26 letters are called English alphabet. All these 26 letters are called by the name alphabet. There are two ways of writing this alphabet. The first one is capital letters and the other one is small letters. You have already writing both types of alphabets. You know what are capital letters and small letters, but today we will learn when and where to use capital letters and small letters. Now here you can see these are the small letters. This is also called the alphabet, but as you can see, these are small letters. Shall we read it once? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right. Now today we are going to learn where to use a capital letter. Beginning a name using a capital letter. Now in the first column where all the names are written but they are marked incorrect. As you can see, there is a cross in front of it, so that means they are written in the wrong way. Ali is not beginning with a capital A, so I have marked it wrong. And in the other side, on the other side, as you can see, Ali is written with a capital A. It begins with a capital A, so it is marked correct. So the correct part, the second column, is the right way of writing names. For Fatima, you shouldn't be writing with a simple F, with a small f, but you should begin it with a capital F. Coming down, Sarah. See, both the types are given on the screen. The simple is the wrong one and beginning it with a capital S is the correct way. In the name Abdul Hadi. Now Abdul and Hadi both here have begun with a simple, with a small, as you can see, A and H here. Both are small letters. So this is wrong. See? Now here we have corrected it and written, we have used a capital letter at the beginning of each name. Even Abdul begins with a capital A, and Hadi, H is a capital letter. Same goes for John Robert. This is wrong. It's incorrect. This is the right way of writing capital J and capital R. Mary Ann, Mary M is capital here and even A is capital here. Kashif Ahmad. This is not the correct way of writing names. You should always begin it with a capital. So we have used a capital K and a capital A here. So this is the correct way of writing. Zainab Khan, Zainab Khan. See the capital letters here. So now you should always remember to begin a name with a capital letter. I'm sure you have been using capital letters while writing your name, your father's name, your mother's name, or even your friend's name, or your brother or sister's name. So always remember to write the names by beginning it with a capital letter. In today's lesson, we learned to begin a name with a capital letter by using a capital letter, and the rest of the letters would be all small. Only the beginning letter is a capital one and the other letters are all small letters. So we will discuss more about this chapter in our online class. Take care, stay at home, and we'll meet up again. Allah Hafiz.